guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making chicken gizzards in the Instant Pot. I love it. Back in the day when I was a teenager, my foster mom made gizzards too. And she made it in a pressure cooker, the old-timey kind. And that's the only way I made them, plus I made them in the crock pot. But I'm sharing these with a friend of mine because y'all know Tony. He's not going to eat them. But here I've got like a little over 2.5 pounds of gizzards, chicken gizzards. I'm going to take these over to the sink and clean them up a little bit. There are certain parts that need cut off or whatever, and then we'll bring you back and we'll start browning them and doing everything. See you shortly. Hey guys, I'm back. I've got my gizzards here. I'm gonna salt and pepper them and put some garlic powder on them. Then I've got the Instant Pot on saute over here, and I'm gonna brown them. Whenever I used to do them in the pressure cooker, the old-timey pressure cooker, I flash fried them first, but I did this one time and the bottom burnt, so yeah, but we're not going to be doing that again. And when you cook these like this, they are so tender they melt in your mouth. And like I said, you just want to brown these up a little. So I'm not going to make y'all sit here and watch because this is going to be 2 or 3 batches that I have to do. So I'll get these browned up and then we'll be back for the next step. Okay guys, I got the last batch I'm getting out here. Oops. Now I like gizzards. I eat a lot of stuff. I mean, obviously because I'm fat. But I'm not a picky eater. But I'll tell you, there's only a couple of things that I will not eat. Alright, now I'm going to add, I have a very large onion. I wish I had some mushrooms. I was at the store and didn't think to get any. And I'm just going to cook these till they're translucent. There's really nothing down in the bottom. But anyway, I will not eat beets. I will not eat cucumbers anymore. I love pickles though. Boy, listen to me. I love pickles, but I will not eat cucumbers raw. That's just disgusting. And I pretty much like everything else. But just beets and... I'm trying to think of something else I may not like. But it's seldom. I used to be picky when I was younger. But I was an adult when I started eating livers. I was a kid when I ate gizzards. But I was a kid, adult whenever I started eating greens, turnip greens, collard greens, all that. I wouldn't touch them before. Sweet peas were disgusting. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I got to refill this. That's my olive oil, but I like food. That's why I'm overweight. I like to cook food. I like whenever things I cook, people eat and enjoy and brag. I admit, I like to hear something good about myself. Everybody likes that. Want their own horn tooted. Okay. Whew. That was hot. Alright, I'm going to put these back in. I have 4 chicken bouillon cubes that I'm going to add in. And I'm going to start with 4 cups of water and see how that looks. Yeah, I might need a little more. Hold on. Because when this is done, I'm going to be making a slurry. and making a gravy. Alright, I roughly made 6 cups here. I'm not going to add any more salt to it. I will add no, I'm not going to add any more pepper because I see some in there. Alright, make sure your vent is closed. And you want to cook it for approximately 30 minutes. And I'm going to let it natural release for 10. I'll bring you back shortly. Bye. Okay guys, I've got this done. Look at these. This thing will fall apart. Alright, at this time, what I'm going to do now is I've got it on saute. First off, I want my gravy to look brown. So I'm going to add some kitchen Bouquet. It's a browning and seasoning sauce. It's old school. We use it here in the South. A gravy master somewhere, see? That's going to make it brown. And I said I've got saute on. So now I'm going to make a slurry. While I'm waiting on that to heat up. As I said, this is my dinner because Tony won't eat gizzards. Imagine that. But he's having leftover shepherd's pie. But I've got some rice that I'm going to have for my gravy. And some Italian green beans. What I did was a friend of mine, Tammy, who lives in Georgia now, but she's from here in Walterboro, said her mom found some boneless ham hocks. And she told me they were at the IGA, so I got some of those, and I'm very impressed with them because there are no bones in them and they're really hardly any fat. Alright. Everything's boiling. I may have to make more because there's a lot of this. But I'm going to show y'all something if I have more. I'm not going to make another slurry, but I'm not sure if this is in your neck of the woods or not. You know what? I am going to make another slurry because I don't want to make too much of a mess. Let me get another one because I don't want that hot. I just never can get it together. Nikita, there's nothing here. This is wonderful flour. Now I have dumped this on. It's very fine flour. It's gold medal. Sorry, White Lily didn't make any. Yeah, see, that's not thick enough. That wasn't in there. Because there is 6 cups of water in there. Now, what I have done in the past is sprinkled this on because it's quick mixing flour. But I didn't want to make the lumpiness. I can never get all of this out. Try some more. Alright. That's going to be good enough. It's going to have to be thick enough. I'm not messing with it anymore. That's good enough. Alright guys, let me get off here and I'm going to get everything ready over here. And I'll be back. Okay, let me get some of this rice. I've got my friends coming over tomorrow to get her helping of this, the gizzards, and a lot of other stuff. I'm doing so many videos this weekend. I did the cinnamon rolls earlier. Tomorrow I'm doing, and I'm doing the gizzards now. Tomorrow I'm doing cinnamon raisin bread and Chick-fil-A chicken tenders, copycat, and squash casserole. And I think something else. If not, I think that's enough, huh? I'll show y'all something. Look at that. Those are tender. Alright guys, our Instant Pot gizzards and gravy are done. I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love you to join me. Also, share this out on your social media. And leave me a comment. Tell me if you like gizzards. And what's your favorite way? Fried gizzards are really good too. And leave me a comment, like I said, and give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, supper's ready.